Hello traders, I hope everyone are doing good. So today we are going to talk about intraday trading and why it is not for everyone. Okay, so let's jump straight to the points. The first point is buy sell indicators won't work. That is true. Okay, let me tell you something. Buy sell indicators will never work in real time. Okay, because it is quite hard to understand how they are calculated, and yes, they are based on calculations. Okay, so these buy sell indicators will always capture the swing highs and lows in a very good manner. However, it is not for everyone. Okay, because the buy sell indicators can never make you rich. Even the person who is selling the buy sell indicator would have not used it properly, at least for himself or herself. So if, whenever you come across a buy sell indicator on that is sold through YouTube, okay, kindly don't purchase it. And even if someone is giving you a buy sell indicator through Instagram or anything as such, please don't buy it, because every signal cannot be traded and every signal is not reliable. Okay, so these buy sell signals alone will not make you tremendously rich or a great intraday trader. The second point is indicators are only 45 to 55% accurate. Yes, uh, see, actually, the accuracy measurement is quite, quite argumentative when it comes to indicators, because people will say that, the indicators are, 95% accurate, 90% accurate. No, these indicators are not accurate that much. Okay, these indicators are never, ever, ever accurate to 90% or 95%. They would have measured only the last 10 signals where the market would have been very much fluctuating. Okay, the market would have been very much fluctuating. They should have got those signals alone. Okay, so if you come across only, if you look at only the last 10 to 5 signals, it will show 90% accuracy. But if you measure for the last 1 year or 6 months of signals that has been generated, you can clearly understand out of 100 signals, only 40 to 50 signals would be correct. For example, if you can look at this chart, okay, you may think that this is an amazing indicator, right? But it is not. If you, however, start trading using this indicator, definitely you will start losing money, right? If you want, I can also show you the name. It's called as Black Pika Algo. And people who are very curious about these indicators, who come across, who sees my video, definitely will go and search and start using this indicator for sure. Definitely, I challenge that I will come across comments to know about this indicator. It is called as Black Pika Algo, and it is by Pikachu Venture. Okay, trust me, guys, these buy sell indicators will not make you money. Look at this. If you have taken a BTST trade based on this indicator, your stop loss would have been it, right? So please never ever ever rely on these buy sell indicators, and they are not even that accurate in the longer run. Okay, and any indicator logic is only valid for few years. That is absolutely true. So any logic based indicators or any intraday trading method you follow, for example, today I can assure you and bet you that open is equal to low method is not working, and even CPR based methods are not working. High volume plus gain method is not opening. Okay, top gainers and losers method is not working. Okay, I am pretty sure these methods are highly followed for high conviction. You may get high conviction trades, but these strategies that are explained in YouTube channels and Instagram reels doesn't work. So hardly speaking, these intraday methods only works for at least 6 to 8 years maximum. Maximum 6 to 8 years. Do you think that CPR breakouts are so profitable today? No, actually not. They are cheating people telling that CPR indicator works like magic. No, These CPR level, CPR based, pivot boss based strategies came like 20 years ago, 15 years ago, even 10 years ago. Okay, today even an EMA crossover doesn't work actually. Okay, so please understand this golden EMA crossover, golden ratio, Fibonacci crossover ratio strategies, you name it. I don't want to waste you guys' time, but still, these strategies will never work in the longer run. So the second and the next point is leading indicators are very less in the real world. That is true because these indicators are always based on values, okay, on real-time values. It means they are dynamic. For example, you saw the indicator right now, which I applied to the chart, right? So we have to wait till confirming this signal, till this candle gets closed. Only then you can consider this as a short position. Okay, it is a non-repaintable indicator, but still you have to wait for a longer time till this candle closes, because these indicators work on the previous candle's data or the current candle's open, high, low, close values. Okay, and also based on the real-time volume, if it is encoded into it. Yes, so these indicators are always lagging and they are not leading. I hope you understand. Okay, and I should say that actually speaking, leading indicators are in a certain leading indicators are there. I would say pivot point. Yes, pivot point, sorry, CPR. CPR is a leading indicator because you can clearly see the CPR is a leading indicator because these indicators get formed. Okay, these indicators get formed in the mornings, in the morning first candle itself. And look at this chart, you can clearly see this CPR indicator is formed for the next day also, for the day of 11th. Leading indicator is already formed based on the previous days, that is current days, open, high, low values. So that is the beauty of these indicators. However, even these indicators don't work in the longer run. You can clearly see that these indicators are just just for reference, and it may add a little value to your conviction. So make sure you have a proper strategy that is evaluated based on price action for yourself. The best indicator is nothing but your eyes and your fingers. Draw some trend lines or draw some convicted patterns, which has more accuracy. Check out the reversal patterns. You can clearly see there is a reversal pattern that happened here, a bearish reversal here, bullish reversal. So these reversal patterns will comes it comes through a lot of practice, and these CPRs can give you an additional benefit. That's all. But you can't rely on CPRs alone. I have seen videos and paid courses that teaches about CPR, where if a stock crosses R1 and yesterday's high, you will see the stock will be flying. No, it will not fly. Okay, the same applies for the bearish move. If the stock breaks S1 and yesterday's low, the stock will fall, the Nifty will fall. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, so please don't fall into these traps. So please understand what is meant by a leading indicator and also a lagging indicator. The next point is you need more disposable money to become an intraday trader. That is absolutely true. Okay, I have seen, based on my experience of 8 years, I came to understand that you need at least, okay, at least 3 lakhs to 5 lakh rupees if you're an option trader or even an equity option trader. Okay, I sincerely request you to earn money first and then get inside intraday trading, and make sure you don't have any emotional attachment towards that money, because once you become emotionally attached with that money, definitely I'm telling you, intraday trading is mostly all about how you handle your own money, how good you are in money management, how you are good in emotional management. That is all about being an intraday trader. And even an intraday trader cannot pump in more than 50 lakhs or even 1 crore for taking intraday trades. I'm pretty damn sure people who are earning crores and crores of money are fake gurus in the internet and in Instagram, even in the YouTube world. But I can bet you 100% that you can never, ever, ever earn money through intraday trading, pumping in more than 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs. Post that, your heart will not be quite normally beating on daily basis. So I sincerely request you to have some disposable money where you have no emotional attachment to that money, even if the market goes against you, even if you have higher accuracy strategies. Okay, so the second thing is you need multiple streams of income. Yes, because once you lose your disposable money, if you want to be a constant player in this business, that is being an intraday trader, you need constant money to be pumping inside, to be an intraday trader. So I should definitely tell you, any intraday trader, any fake gurus you see in Instagram or in YouTube, you can clearly see they have multiple businesses running with them. Okay, they have multiple businesses to rely upon. I'm pretty sure they will be selling some courses, they'll be selling some strategies, they'll be selling some, they would have come up with a lot of generational wealth, and hey, even they should have been doing some other business in their family, and this intraday trading would be a part-time joy for them. Okay, it's not even a part-time job for them. So I'm pretty sure that these people are creating wrong awareness, fake promises to people to become rich. So frankly speaking, kindly have some multiple streams of income if you really want to become an amazing intraday trader, and make sure you have a strong conviction on how you are going to play with the stocks. Yes. So, and the next point is you have a lot of government regulations. As we all know that we have a lot of government regulations, SEBI imposes a lot of rules for intraday traders. You should have seen come across news like increase in short-term capital gain, increasing in STT charges, brokerages. You should have come across information such as removal of weekly expiry, only monthly expiry is available, and increasing the number of lots for multiple index scripts. So these things spoil sometimes, most of these government regulations which are keep on changing will spoil certain strategies that are already followed by the existing intraday traders. So that is a very big con you all should be aware of. So even if you are earning a lot of money right now in intraday trading, make sure your strategy is government proof. Okay, make sure your strategy will work. Whatever happens in the future, it will work flawlessly without any issues, even if government regulations come and go. Yes, I'm very serious about this. So you should be aware and you should be ready to face the government if you are about to do intraday trading. The final point is the power of conviction. Trust your strategy. Okay, no matter what, it has even 55 percentage of accuracy, because 55% accuracy is actually quite good, I should say. Okay, because that 55% accuracy is more than enough for to win in intraday trading or make it as an income in the longer run. I'm seriously telling you guys, make sure you have strong conviction. You make sure you have a very good guessing power on the market direction. Make sure your strategy is so viable and reliable, and you keep on doing it in a disciplined manner. And trust me, guys, no human can beat the market. No human can suspect or judge the market movement in the market movement in the chart. Like whatever you see in Telegram channels and Instagram groups, people will tell that, hey, see, I predicted the put movement correctly. I have predicted the call movement correctly. See, the market behaved in the same way what I have said. No, no, they are not astrologers. They are not God actually. So please don't trust them. Okay, build a strategy, Do it repeatedly for 100 times. Make sure you backtest it and also forward test it properly. And don't much rely on backtested data, because people tell that history repeats for itself. Actually, I would say that history is just a history. It is called as a history because it cannot be repeated. That is the reason we call it as a history, right? If it is a regular occurrence in our life, then it is not then it's not called as a history, right? So don't believe these fake gurus what they tell you. Actually, what they're doing is something different. Okay, so please have a strong conviction on the strategy you have built and keep on following it. Do forward testing, and then you proceed with it with your disposable money. I hope all the points that we have discussed is quite impactful. And also I would definitely tell you to build an algo based on, if you have a very good strategy that has more than 50% accuracy, build it as an algo and try to automate it, because manual integration will never help an intraday trader to become rich in the longer run. So please make sure you build an algo around the strategy what you're following, on the on the conviction what you're doing, the method of trading what you're doing. Try to have an algo built on the strategy what you are doing. Okay, it will help you a lot in the longer run. I hope this video was informative. Thank you so much once again for visiting my channel, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye all.